Hello everyone, welcome to this video lecture on MPLS, which is multi-protocol label switching. Yes, first about the MPLS features. This protocol helps the users to establish an end-to-end path between any source and destination, and it follows the hop-by-hop forwarding mechanism, which means at every hop it finds or it takes a decision to move to which hop. It will not choose the entire path, rather it finds the next best hop to reach that destination. And the third point is it uses labels to set up the path. Along with every IP packet, an additional label value will be inserted at every hop, and that keeps on changing at every node till it reaches the destination. And at the destination point, only the IP packet will be reaching the destination. So, this labeling concept is there in MPLS. And finally, the most important feature is it establishes a connection oriented service over the IP protocol. The IP protocol, which is the network layer protocol, it is a connectionless service. So, this MPLS helps to provide a connection oriented service in integration with IP protocol. And what is the motivation? Why did we go for MPLS concept, or why did the researchers evolved presented as this MPLS protocol? The first one is the original drivers towards label switching. Yes, what is the need for driving towards the label switching concept? And then the very first objective is to make the routers faster. Always there is a comparison between the switching and the routing process. There is based on the surveys, it is understood that even the ATM switches were faster than the working of the routers because the label lookup is faster than the longest match which is happening in the routers also. So that is why they always been they've always been finding possibilities to check for anything that we can do it to bring the fastness like we have in switching concept. So that is the main objective. And the second one is IP plus ATM integration. There was a concept called as IP plus ATM integration, which means connecting the connection oriented or integrating the connection oriented and connectionless service. That was the intention, but when it is made along with the ATM service, it was very much complex. So because replacing the signaling protocols, everything that has become the IP plus ATM integration was a complex scenario. That's why they've come here for MPLS concept. This MPLS provides connection oriented service over the connectionless IP protocol. That is the second motivation. And the third motivation is the evolution of the internet. Yes, the internet, it's a fast moving world. So there is a need for a newer routing algorithm or an advanced forwarding algorithm. So the comparison between the routing and the forwarding tells what is the key features, what is expected from the technology, what is expected from the protocol, which is the performance as well as the speed. Yes, we have to get the speed of L2 at layer 3. That's what expected in the actual scenario, or particularly in a WAN connectivity. The L2 speed is expected in the layer 3 scenario. So these are the motivations for the MPLS implementation. And then the history. So is the concept very new? No, few of the concept has been already there in the existing techniques such as IP over ATM, IP switching by Epsilon, cell switching router by Toshiba, tag switching by Cisco, and aggregate route based IP switching. All these concepts were there, but the newer things few of the existing things has been modified, and this MPLS has brought a lot of advantages over the existing techniques. So in MPLS, yes, the IETF Internet Engineering Task Force has developed this MPLS, and the documentations are available in the RFC. Three of the RFCs, RFC 3031 contains the MPLS architecture, RFC 2702 contains the application of